If you're editing videos on TikTok and you want to save them as drafts so you can edit them later, or you just want to save the edited videos to your phone gallery, then let me show you the easiest way to save TikTok videos as drafts or download them on your phone without posting. So first we'll go to the TikTok app, and if you're already in the middle of editing a video and you're not finished, so you want to continue it later, then you simply need to tap on Next, and from there, instead of tapping on Post, just select Drafts, and this clip will be saved to your profile's drafts. Now, whenever you want to jump back into editing, just go to your Drafts tab, select it, and you can start right from where you left. Also, when you're done editing, and you just want to save the video to your phone gallery without posting, from the right panel, tap on this downwards arrow, it will open a few more options, scroll all the way down and you'll find the Save option. Just tap on Save, and the clip will be saved to your phone's album, or upload it anywhere you want besides TikTok. So if we close TikTok and open Photos, you'll find your edited video. This means you can share it, or you can also post it later by tapping on this plus icon, then select Upload, then select your edited video and tap Next. And even though we are using iPhone, this process is exactly the same on any Android device. So that's how you can save TikTok videos as drafts or save them to the phone gallery without posting. If this helped, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more.